Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got the security alarm system kit, the model BW-IS6 from BlitzWolf. Let's see some of the specs. We need 5V 1 amp power adapter to work with this security alarm. Network is 2G, GSM and Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz. Device's frequency is 433 MHz. You can connect max 100 detectors, 10 remote controls and 10 RFID. You can control it with the BlitzWolf app, Tuya or Smart Life app, and supports Google Assistant and Alexa. That means you can say Alexa turn off the alarm or turn on the alarm, or okay Google turn on the alarm or turn off the alarm. Inside we've got a 3.7V 500mAh rechargeable battery for backup. You can get push notification to your smartphone, phone calls, SMS. Security modes, we've got disarm, away arm, home arm and panic. Supports about 11 languages total. Supports two-way intercom communication. You can insert a SIM card, is working on a 2G network, and control this alarm by SMS or calls. You can get notification when one of the accessories it has a low battery, the PR motion sensor or the door window sensor, and even of course on the main unit. Nice all that, and let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it, connect it to our network and all the accessories together. Inside we're gonna find out the manual, of course. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me. You're gonna find out all about this product, BlitzWolf card. We've got the cable for charging the internal battery of this unit, Type A to micro USB, some screws for mounting at the wall, and there is the unit. Nice. Let's see, and the PR motion sensor. What we have inside. The manual, of course, if you want to read it, is your choice. Great. Some sticker for mounting permanently at the wall, or you can screw it of course with the screws. We've got this pin. We've got the power switch off or on. You can control with this pin left and right. And we've got the test normal switch. At the front we've got the lens, the battery cover, rotate, and inside we've got the CR2450 3V lithium battery if you want to replace it. And we've got on the bracket, it goes here, slide it, and it will lock. It can rotate 360, adjust it, find the right position you want to install it with screws or the 3M tape. Next we've got the door window sensor. Many things inside. Manuals. At the front we've got the LED indicator, BlitzWolf logo. Inside we have a CR2032 lithium battery 3V, and we've got a switch here. If someone tries to take it, it will trigger the alarm of this unit. The magnet, and it will trigger. Nice sticker for this magnet, perfectly. Everything here. Now at the main unit we can see we've got the SOS button, arm, disarm. We can see we've got the keypad, back, check, the display. It is a black glossy, the old screen. We've got some metallic finish around, you can see. This is of course a plastic, but it gives a great touch to the old unit. Here we've got an indicator light down here. At this side we've got the micro SIM card slot. From the other side we've got the micro USB port for connecting and charge the battery and give power. We've got the backup battery switch on or off. We've got the audio output. You can connect an output siren here. The Wi-Fi button. That was all from this side. Here we've got the siren, as you can see. Some rubber fits here. And this is the base. You need to mount it at the wall. And it works as a safety. If someone tries to steal your alarm, it will trigger the alarm. Great. And of course in the front I can see this hole. It is the microphone for the two-way communication. Well, nice all that. Let's connect it. Download the Smart Life app, make an account, register, and start the connection process to my network. Now, let's give him some power. Hello, hello. We can turn on the switch for the battery backup, and it will start to charge, as you can see. And if you are going to disconnect your cable, you've got power and it will still working. Okay, with this arrow we can go to the settings, and you can control with a 2, 8 and 4, 6 up and down. Settings, we've got a delay, exit delay, entry delay, siren direction, etc, etc. Switch, arm beep, siren, arm SMS, keypad lock, backlight, keypad tone, delay, tick, door window open warning, human voice, sensor low battery, and you can turn on or off if you want some of these. Password, you can enter the password for the system and the user. Default password is 888. Language, you can choose the language, English, Dutch, Espanol, Polski, Italiano, Francis, Portuguese, Greece, Romanian. Initialization, all accessories and parameters will be deleted. Okay. Phone, call phone number, SMS number, IP. Well, all these settings you can control it from your smartphone. Alarm log, arm log, parts, remote, detector, RFID, siren learn, choose. You can add detector, edit, delete, same and for the remote control. Wi-Fi, you can smart link configure, unbind, MAC IP, soft configure, and back. Record, play, delete the record you want. You can use it before triggering the alarm, it will sound your voice. Timer, arm schedule, disarm schedule, zone sync, daytime, Wi-Fi sync, 2G, 3G sync, on, and the version. Nice all that. Now let's connect it to my Smart Life app and to my network. Okay, add a device, and we need sensor, and we need the alarm Wi-Fi. Okay, now press for 6 seconds the Wi-Fi button at this side, and we can see we've got the LEDs flashing at here, and we've got the Smart Link mode. Next,
hi there, I found your new security system. If you'd like to use your voice to disarm it, set up a voice code for this system in the Alexa app.
okay, thank you Alexa. Great to hear for that. Of course, you can rename the device, and done. Test. Alarm from your hub. Okay, and there it is, the app. Well, it reminds me something. I did have 2 Digo alarm at the past, but after 3 to 4 months, none of this alarm security kit is working anymore. The first, it was just died, and the second is not working the Wi-Fi connectivity. Well, I hope BlitzWolf to last longer than the other security alarms.
System armed.
Again, notification.
System armed.
Home. Panic. And you can see we've got the red LED down here. Ooh.
System disarmed.
Okay, the sound is very loud. I like that. Now we've got the logs. Here you can see all the logs, system disarm, normal, disarm, panic, alarm, SOS, everything, what is happening. And You can see it has been synchronized, the day, the time, everything is correct. Settings, we've got an exit delay. You've got from 1 second, as much as you want. Alarm sound, on or off. Alarm direction, 1 minute. Okay, I will put 59 minutes, confirm. Arm, disarm voice prompt, you can check it and check it. Sensor low battery alarm, check and check. Alarm notification is on. Entry delay, okay, let's put it on 50 seconds. It is enough. It will give you the time to disarm your alarm, or you can do it from your smartphone. You can control all the settings, your alarm, disarm, arm, further away from your home, outdoors, whenever and wherever you want, at any place of planet Earth. It doesn't matter. You need to have, of course, internet. And if you don't have internet, you can disarm it and arm it with a call or with an SMS. Yeah, why not? Alarm call number, you can see you can enter your phone here and do that, as I said, disarm it or arm it, and of course the same, and with an SMS number. Alarm call, you can have in this check and check. Alarm SMS, unanswered phone redial times, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can confirm. Factory set if you want, hub languages in English, virtual password, many options and settings, accessories, detector, remote control, wire detector, RFID. Okay, let's connect the motion detector. Add a device. Please trigger your accessories to add a device. Okay, let's take this pin out and turn it on. And you can see it's flashing purple. Nice, I like that. I'm learning okay. Detector, you can see we've got a red light, that means it can be detect me. Nice. Confirm. And detector again, detector 0 is this. Of course, you can name it, which detector is. You can install it to your front door. You can install it to your living room, bedroom, hall. It is your choice, and rename it. Zone mode. You can choose normal 24 hours, delay, home, or 24 hours silent. Type, it is a motion PR, door contacts, mode, gas, carbon. Oh, so many choices here. Motion PR. And save. Now let's add other accessory. Let's turn it that around, not to see us. And we need to take this out, reveal the battery, confirm, and we've got, and the detector is connected. Great. Detector 1, and again we can rename the zone, the type, everything as the motion detector. Remote, we can add and remote. Now let's try it. Home arm.
System armed.
And please disarm in 15 seconds. Flashing, you can see. Yep. Okay.
System disarmed.
Disarm, or you can mute the alarm. And it says door window is unclose it. Well, close it. And we're good to go. Of course, when you're choosing home arm,
System armed.
this is not working, the motion detection, because you are in your home. Away
System
arm,
armed.
delay 5 seconds. And if motion detected, mute the alarm, you can mute it.
System
And
disarmed.
disarm. And of course you can arm, disarm from here,
System armed.
or
System disarmed.
disarm, SOS.
System disarmed.
You can control them from here. Nice, great product. Well, I will use it, I will see how it goes. Now I would like to add this Digu motion sensor and the remote control. My Digu alarm, as I said, is not working anymore. Both of the Digu alarms are dead. Thumbs up, Digu, you are doing a great job. Well, accessories. Add motion detector. And we can see I have added the TechGuru sensor, but we need to change that. We need to change to a home, confirm, and the gas to a motion PR. And save, confirm. Great. Now let's see if it's working. I will hide this. Okay, away
System
arm.
armed.
Great, and yep,
System disarmed.
it's working. Great. Great that it's working the old accessories with this alarm. Now let's add and the remote. Add it. Confirm. We've got one remote. And
System armed. System disarmed. System armed.
home mode
System disarmed.
and SOS
System
and
disarmed.
disarm. Nice. Now let's try and the back of the base. If I'm going to take it out. Oh yeah. And you can see the red.
System disarmed.
Definitely is working very well. I like the sound. It is very loud. And of course you can connect an external siren. There it is. You can connect it here. And now it will be very loud. Let's say away
System
arm.
armed.
Oh, and you hear the beep. I'm closing my ears.
System disarmed.
Oh my god. Whoa. That was very loud. Definitely I will use it. Well guys, definitely I like that we can use the old accessories from the other brand, the motion detection, the door window sensor, the remote control, the external siren, because all that are working in 433 MHz. That's very convenient. In my next video I will show you an automation, how you can do automation with this security alarm and turn on your lights when the alarm triggers and etc, etc. Well, if you need to buy it, it costs about 40 to 50 euros. It depends the discount. I purchased it about 29 euros with only these two accessories, the motion detection and the door sensor window. And I think I will buy another one. I need to test it more to see how it works, if something is not working well, and then I will buy another one. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching this video. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.